Subscribe to my YouTube channel Deepti Ghai Sharma and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos first. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys the complete bridal makeup look which you can wear for any weddings you want. You can change the jewelry according to your wedding, like you can wear pasa if you want, or you can wear any Bengali jewelry with this look. And this look is requested by a lot of people, and also I've already uploaded the same video in Hindi. तो अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं, मैं मेंशन कर दूंगी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो आप सेम वीडियो देख सकते हैं हिंदी में. And I really hope you guys like this makeup look. So if you want to know how to do bridal makeup look, then please keep on watching. So first, for my brows, I'm using NYX Cosmetics Brow Kit. And with a small angular brush, I'm going to line the lower part of my brows first, like this. And then I'm going to line the upper part of my brows. And you can do your eyebrows according to your eyebrow shape. Also, I'm going to do a detailed brow routine very soon. And then I'm going to flick the brush and I'm going to fill the front part of my brows. I'm not taking extra product on the brush. I'm just using whatever left on the brush. And then with a separate brush, I'm going to apply the powder on top of the wax I've applied to set my brows. And again, I'm not taking extra product, and then I'm going to fill the front part of my brows. Now to clean my brows, I'm using concealer and a small detailing brush. First, I'm going to clean underneath my brows. And with this step, if you have overdrawn your brows, you can easily clean your brows with the concealer. And then I'm going to clean the upper part of my brows as well. And with the help of a puffing brush, I'm going to remove the extra concealer. And then I'm using the eyebrow gel to set my eyebrow hair. Before starting the eye makeup, I'm going to apply tape at the end of my eye. So if you're a beginner, it's a tip for you guys. If you apply tape at the end of your eye, you can do your eye makeup very easily. Also, you can clean your eye makeup very easily. And then I'm going to apply an eyeshadow primer on my eyes. And to set the eyeshadow primer, I'm using pressed powder. Now first I'm going to use this blending brush, and from L'Oreal La Palette I'm going to take these two colors and I'm going to apply them as my transition color, and I'm going back and forth to really blend in the eyeshadow so that it's not going to look patchy. And slowly I'm going to build up my transition color as well, because this look is little dramatic, so your transition color will be a little darker in color. Now I'm going to take the same brown color, and with the same brush I'm going to apply this on top of the transition color to darken up the transition color a little bit more. Now I'm using the small tapered brush, and I'm going to take this dark charcoal eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm going to focus this color into my crease, but be very careful, don't apply this color on top of your crease, otherwise you're going to apply this on your transition because it has some glitters as well in it. Just focus the color into your crease. And then with the clean blending brush, I'm going to blend all the eyeshadows really well. Now for my eye makeup, I'm doing a full cut crease makeup look. So with the help of a concealer and a small detailing brush, I'm going to clean my eyelids to give it a cut crease look. And for cut crease makeup look, you have to keep on practicing. And then I'm going to set the concealer with a pressed powder, because the concealer is cream base and you cannot apply eyeshadow on top of a cream base. So you have to set your concealer with the loose powder, or you can use pressed powder as well. And then for the base, I'm using this Revlon Eye Art cream base. And first I'm going to apply this all over my eyes, and I'm using a synthetic brush. And with this cream base, you have to work really faster because it dries very fast. And then I'm going to take this eyeshadow from NYX palette, and with a small eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply this on top of that cream base which I've applied. And it's a very beautiful copper eyeshadow. And I'm also going to apply the glitters, and for that I'm using BH Cosmetics gold glitters. And before applying the glitters, I've already applied glitter glue, and then I'm going to pat the glitters on top of the glitter glue. And if you want, you can apply any color glitters according to your dress. And then I'm going to apply my wing liner, and for that I'm doing very thin wing liner. I'm not going to apply a thick wing liner because I don't want to hide my cut crease makeup look. And also you can skip the wing liner step if you want. Now before applying my face makeup, I'm going to apply this rosehip facial oil, and I'm going to dab it all over my face. And this step is very good, especially for dry skin people. And for the primer, I'm going to mix the Body Shop's Vitamin C Serum and Rimmel Primer. Now moving on to color correcting, I'm going to use this Australis Cosmetics color corrector, and I'm going to take this lavender color and I'm going to conceal my under eyes with this. As you can see, I don't have that much of dark circles, so this lavender color is perfect for my dark circles. But if you have really dark, deep brown dark circles, you can even use orange correctors as well. And then I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to apply this on the sides of my mouth because I do have a little bit of hyperpigmentation there. For my foundation, I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Total Cover Foundation, and I'm going to apply this all over my face with a damp sponge. It's a full coverage foundation and it's perfect for brides, but it's a very thick foundation, so if your skin is drying, you can either mix facial oil in this foundation, or you can use any other foundation which is best for dry skin people. Also, I've used all the products which are very affordable, so that it'll be easier for you guys. But if you want to use any high-end products, you can do that. Now for my cream contouring, I'm going to use this cream contouring stick. I'm going to mention the name in the description box. And I'm going to apply this underneath my cheekbones first. Also, I'm going to contour my nose. So I'm going to apply this on the sides of my nose. On my forehead as well, because my forehead is a little bigger. But if you have a smaller forehead, you can skip this step. And then with the damp sponge, I'm going to blend in this cream contouring. Now for highlighting my face, I'm using the Fit Me concealer in the shade number 20. So this shade is perfect for my skin tone because it's like 2-3 shades lighter than my skin tone. So if your skin tone is like mine, you can use this concealer for highlighting your skin. And again, using the damp sponge, I'm going to blend in the concealer. And then to set my under eyes, first I'm using this banana powder from W7, and with the help of a sponge I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes to set my concealer. And for the rest of my face, I'm using Faces Press Powder. Now moving on to powder contouring. For that I'm using this color from the Maybelline palette, and with an angular brush, I'm going to apply this on the areas where I've done cream contouring. And for the blush, I'm using this e.l.f. Cosmetics blush. Again, if you want, you can use any other color. Now I'm taking NYC Cosmetics translucent loose powder. I'm going to apply this underneath my contouring to clean it and to make it more sharp. Now for highlighting my face, I'm using this highlighter from the palette, and I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my cheeks, on my nose, and a little bit on my forehead as well. Now I'm going to apply black gel liner into my waterline as kajal. And then I'm going to take this dark brown eyeshadow, and with a small pencil brush, I'm going to smudge this color on my lower lash line. And for highlighting my inner corners, I'm using the same Maybelline highlighter. And on top of this highlighter, I'm going to apply these glitters from Revlon. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply loads of mascara on top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to take the gel liner, and with a small eyeliner brush, I'm going to extend my eyeliner from the inner corners to give that cat eye effect. Next, I'm going to apply my false lashes, because for bridal look, false lashes are must. Before applying the lipstick, I'm going to lip line my lips. And for the lipstick, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. So that's it guys, this is the final look and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and please share my videos, and also please subscribe to my channel as well. If you want to watch more videos like that, do follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook and my Twitter. I'm going to mention everything in the description box, and if you have any video requests, do comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye guys, see you next time. Take care.